The perfect study guide for university students. Study guide. A study guide is a valuable tool for university students as it can help them stay organized and focused while preparing for exams and completing assignments. Here are some tips for creating an effective study guide. 1. Start by creating a schedule. This should include time for classes, studying, and any extracurricular activities. Be sure to also include time for breaks and rest. 2. Break down your study sessions into smaller chunks. Rather than trying to cram all of your studying into one long session, divide your time into shorter, more manageable periods. 3. Use flashcards to help memorize key terms and concepts. Flashcards are a great way to review material quickly and can be easily carried with you for studying on the go. 4. Take notes while reading or listening to lectures. This will help you understand the material better and make it easier to review later. 5. Practice problem solving and critical thinking. Many university courses require students to apply what they have learned, so it is important to practice problem solving and critical thinking skills. 6. Make use of study groups. Join or form a study group with other students in your class. This is a great way to review material and learn from your peers. 7. Use technology to your advantage. There are many apps and websites that can help you stay organized and focused while studying. Examples include flashcard apps, note-taking apps, and productivity apps. 8. Take care of yourself. Eating well, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly will help you stay energized and focused while studying. Conclusion. By following these tips, you can create a study guide that will help you stay organized and focused while preparing for exams and completing assignments. And also remember to be consistent and patient. It takes time and effort to achieve success. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video.